this is Natalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to tell you about the LineDotArrow Design Team collaboration. This is a collaboration hosted by LineDotArrow together with the hosting Facebook group Two Sister Jam and Sophie's Crafty Corner, but it is done by the design team members of LineDotArrow. So it's about them. I want to put them in the spotlights, but they also have to work a little, of course, because I asked them to do something in May during 2 weeks, some sort of a tutorial or a make or something to show you, to inspire you. And I have a post in the Facebook group that has as a comment all the dates and also all the links, because then you can click on each link. Of course, all the design team members will post their make every day in all the Facebook groups with the attached link. But if you have issues finding the video of that day, you can always ask. There are no specific times that you can find the videos, because we are all in different countries and also different time zones. So for instance, mine is going to be uploaded tonight in the Netherlands, but when you see it in the US, it's probably in the afternoon, late afternoon. So it's going to be different. Now, I'm not going to do a tutorial or something because, like I said, it's for the design team members, but I thought I wanted to do something because I know a lot of people struggle with that. I even had a lady commenting on one of my kits. It was like 5 years ago, maybe longer, maybe 5.5 years ago, that the quality of the kit was not good. While the quality of the kit is good. But I think that lady wanted to have the best possible outcome when printing. And I think she used the wrong settings. Weirdly enough, when I started printing out my own papers, I always printed on regular copy paper. So the 80 grams we all have, the white, nothing special. So the first, I think 3-4 years, definitely the first 3 years when you saw me do a show and tell video and flip through all the pages, that was all printed on copy paper. And it was all printed in normal quality, so not the lowest and not the highest, never on photo printing settings, always normal and always regular paper. And the reason I'm saying that, because that makes all the difference. I found it out by accident because my printer was suddenly on photo settings. So it thought it was printing a photo and it was on high quality settings. And all of a sudden, all the images were very blurry. And I was like, what is happening? Why is this so bad quality? And then I found out that the higher you put your quality, if it's not a photo, it's going to mess up the print. I have this one printed on, this is Clairefontaine DCP paper. I have the packaging, one moment. It is this brand. Now it's not 160 gram. This one is the, I think, the 90 gram. So it's a little bit heavier than regular printing paper, or maybe it's 120. I think it's 120, I'm sorry. I don't have the package of this one, but this is just presentation paper that you can use to print on both sides on your junk journal pages. I don't have to say, I have to stop saying junk journal paper because that's not, it's a digital, but you can make them into journal pages. So I print these nowadays on this brand paper, and then I have the 120 grams. So it's a little bit heavier than the copy paper. The only reason that I do that, because when I print it on copy paper, I always had to glue pages together because otherwise it was very flimsy. but the image is printed well. Now I'm going to show you a few examples from on different papers and with different settings, and it's going to blow your mind. I have selected this paper. This is from the Violet Dreams kit, and this is on the same paper that I just showed you. So the Clairefontaine 120 grams. This is an A4 size, so it's a presentation paper. But I printed this with the printer settings on regular paper, so I didn't change this to presentation paper. Although the presentation paper goes in the printer, I do not change the settings. So I still print normal quality and using regular paper, as if I was loading copy paper, but I loaded this one. Now I did the same today I printed on regular paper. So this is on presentation paper, and this is on regular coffee paper. Just to show you, this is much thinner, and also that's the reason why I'm not sure if it will shows up on camera, but you can see the print when you turn it over. With this one, it's not. But as you can see, I only messed up with the borders. I'm sorry, but it's about the colors. But as you can see, presentation paper, regular coffee paper, both on normal settings, both on normal quality paper, regular copy paper. This is not regular copy paper, but this is. I don't know about you, but these look great to me. Yes, there is a little bit of a difference maybe, although I don't, yeah, maybe this is what actually is, this is a little bit more purple. So that's the difference. There is a slightly difference, but it is a good quality image to me. I think this is a little bit more defined than this one, but still very, very good. And it saves on ink. This, no, not this. It saves, this one doesn't save on ink. I make a mistake because I'm going to show you this one. This is regular coffee paper. And I printed this on the highest quality. And look how terrible it looks. I mean, this is terrible. This looks awful. This looks like it has a blur. This looks like, yeah, I don't like this. So, presentation paper, regular coffee paper, normal settings, and I filled in the printer settings that I used regular paper. Regular paper, but on high quality, looks terrible. The same happens when I print high quality on the presentation paper. It's going to make it blurry because it's not really a photograph, it's an image. That's the difference. I even tried out this. I'm going to take this out of the way. You saw me show you this. This is on the 120 grams Clairefontaine presentation paper. So you can print double-sided on these and great for journals. This is on a little bit higher quality. No, sorry, on normal quality on regular paper, coffee paper. And as you can see, this one has more of the patina, it's more brown, and this one is a little bit lighter. So that's the difference. To me, both look very good, very crisp, very clear. Then I also printed out this journal paper from the kit, also from the Violet Dreams. I have to be sure that I'm not saying violent dreams. I don't know why I keep saying that. This is on the Clairefontaine 120 gram presentation paper. Settings are normal, so print in normal quality, print on normal regular paper. But I did load a better quality paper. Now this one is also printed on the same Clairefontaine paper. It is the same 120 gram paper, printed on higher quality, but still on regular paper. But look how awful it looks. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see on camera, but it's... Oh, actually on camera it does even looks better than in real life, because I don't think it shows. This is blurry. This butterfly, yeah, you can see now. Look, the difference. It is like there is a layer on top, making it a little bit blurry. You can even see it with the florals. More defined. You can see it very well. Very crisp. You can see all the threads, all the ruffles, everything. Over here it does show, but it is, look, it's very blurry. So yeah, this is not a full size tutorial, but I hope it will help out with printing things. Because you don't, first of all, if you print on high quality settings and on photo settings, printing one page is going to take forever. Really a very, very long time. It's going to be drained with ink, so your ink is, well, gone very quickly, but it's also not a pretty print. So I hope this video was useful, because as you can see, the difference is huge. Normal settings, same paper, high quality settings. Terrible, terrible. I really think this is not looking well. And this is on the presentation paper. A little bit more defined than this one, but this one's still better than this one, and it saves tons of ink. So this is just a regular copy paper. You don't need a presentation paper to print off in good quality. But I hope this video helped you a little. There is a difference also between printers from the same brand. I have two printers. I have the old one still going because I absolutely love that one. It's faster with the printing too, and it doesn't have the issues with printing borderless. The new one has issues printing borderless. I don't know why. I have to trick him into saying, you are printing a photo now, but you're not actually. And yeah, every time I have to go press a button that says, well, the paper is not correct with the settings, but you still wanna, yes, I still wanna print. It's annoying. So I'm going to use the old one as long as it lasts. I still got ink. I have two ink subscriptions now, but a lower amount on both of them. But between those printers, the quality also is a little bit different. Not a lot, but a little different. So yeah, check out your printer and go to the printer settings where you have the orientation and everything. But there's also the quality settings. Take one of the images you want to print and try it on regular paper, on copy paper, on normal quality, normal paper, best quality. And if you're already always printing in best quality, maybe you should give it a go and print in normal quality. And to see if your printer also does what my printer does. I'm not saying that every printer does this, but I believe when you tell your printer you are printing a photograph, while it's actually not a photograph on photo paper, it is going to look blurry. Like this one. Okay, this is my little tutorial to the design team collab. Starting tomorrow, the first design team member, that is going to be Stephanie. She is going to post a make, how she made it. Then the day after, it's already the third week of the challenges. So I'm just going to do a tutorial on the challenge for the third week, showing you the free papers. And then after that, we have Robin, 2 days. So she has 2 videos on 2 days in a row. Then we have April, we have Cheryl, we have Tamara, we have Stacy, we have Leek, we have Mira, the group ambassador. She's also joining the collab. We have Shauna, and then again Stacy, Charlene, Sandra, Sophie, and Janet. So yeah, 2 weeks. 2 weeks of fun stuff to watch. Now the fun thing is also you can join in, remake what they make, or give it your own twist. Post in the hosting Facebook group using the hashtag LDA Design Team DT Collab, the one that we are using for all the challenges this month. And your make is going to count as an entry, depending if you use free papers or only the kit, or together with your post is going to be 1 or 2 entries. So it's going to be added to the giveaway at the end of the month. Now I'm saying end of the month, but it's not really true. Because the collab is ending on Saturday, 30th of May. And then we have an extra week for everybody to still post and do stuff. There is going to be something fun also in June. But the winner's drawing is going to be on June 7th, on Sunday. So it's going to be a week after the month already passed. But yeah, this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. Leave a like, leave a comment. If you're new, just browsing on YouTube and you came across this video, yeah, I have more videos. I do different things, so maybe you want to be a subscriber. And also check the description box below this video to see all the people that are joining in the Design Team Collab. And there are clickable links, so make sure you're already a subscriber and set the notifications to all. And then you will get a notification when they upload a new video, so you will know when they upload for the Design Team Collab. But this is really it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next video. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.